Improve your woodworking with accurate moisture measurements. Did you know that one simple step in your woodworking process can prevent a significant number of issues? About 80% of them, to be exact. That step is moisture testing. Moisture is one of the biggest causes of failure in woodworking and wood product manufacturing. By testing the moisture content of your wood from the start, you can save yourself time and money by avoiding costly repairs. Plus, your clients will come to trust your craftsmanship even more. What is wood moisture content? Wood moisture content, MC, refers to the amount of water present in a piece of wood. It is expressed as a percentage of the weight of the wood after it has been completely dried in an oven. To calculate the MC, wood samples are weighed and dried in an oven until they reach a constant weight. The difference between the weight of the green wood and the oven dry weight gives us the amount of water in the wood, which is then expressed as a percentage. Several factors can influence wood moisture content, such as environmental conditions, the type of wood, and the time of year the tree was felled. Understanding these factors is crucial for working with wood. Why measure wood moisture content? Wood is a hygroscopic material, meaning it absorbs and loses water to achieve a balance with the surrounding atmosphere. As wood absorbs and releases moisture, it expands and contracts, resulting in wood movement. If you work with wood that hasn't achieved balance with the environment, it can lead to problems like warping, cupping, or twisting. That's where measuring wood moisture content comes in. By accurately measuring the moisture content of your wood, you can ensure it has reached equilibrium moisture content, EMC, which is the point at which the wood has achieved a balance with the surrounding environment. This helps prevent issues and ensures the stability and quality of your woodworking projects. How to measure wood moisture content. The most accurate and scientific way to measure moisture is by using the traditional oven dry method. This method is impractical and time-consuming, so woodworkers usually opt for a high-quality moisture meter. We recommend testing with an accurate wood moisture meter instead. Moisture meters provide a much quicker way to measure wood MC. These devices work by measuring the electrical resistance for pin-type meters or dielectric properties for pinless or non-invasive meters of the wood, which are related to its moisture content. One example of a quality pinless meter is the Wagner Meters Orion 950. It offers features like temperature and humidity sensor, an EMC calculator, dew point calculations, Bluetooth, and more. To learn more about wood moisture content, visit our website wagnermeters.com.